Welcome back to Slate Bites. Today we will demonstrate how to build a batch gift entry dashboard. This dashboard will enable gift processors to see key information about the donor without having to leave the batch. To begin, we will select New Dashboard, enter a name, and select Giving Batch Entry as our type. We will first create a person-based dashboard and later revisit to build a companies and foundations dashboard. We want to start off in the Edit Query section so that we can select the exports that we would like to display. Choose the information that is most important to review as you enter a gift. Examples might be name, constituency, assigned staff, contact information, giving history, or relationships. Once you've selected your exports, it's time to edit the dashboard. Use the text box to display information whichever way you'd like. Explore the icons on top to test out different format options, like tables and line breaks. Easily drag and drop your exports where you'd like them to display. At any time while building the dashboard, you may save and hit Preview Dashboard. Let's preview Alexander Hamilton. As we can see, Alexander's record details have loaded seamlessly. Follow the same steps to create a companies and foundations dashboard, except choose a base of companies and foundations. You may also choose different exports for this dashboard, such as contacts and subsidiaries. Once my dashboards are built, they will load for all future batches. Now, our gift processor can review pertinent information before entering the gift, without ever having to leave the batch. Even better, we can enter both person and company and foundation gifts, utilizing their dashboards within the same batch. Thank you so much for following along, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe.